I'm making this for supper. It's just like for me, so it's going to be quite a few meals for me. It's called Lazy Man cabbage rolls. I've never, ever, ever made these before. This is my first time making them, so I hope I don't screw it up. But just basically what you do, you spray your roaster with cooking spray, or you can use olive oil, whatever. Then put all your cabbage in. Okay, that's all my cabbage. Now the next step is to put in my ground pork on top. I'm going to put in like little globs. It's going to be raw, it's not cooked. Okay, my meat is all in there in like little clumps, like little pinches. All I got left to do, they said put salt, pepper, and onion powder. I'm leaving the salt out because I don't like salt. So I'm just going to use the onion powder and pepper. Okay, I got my pepper on. I had to use the grinder, so I needed 2 hands because I got my camera in my hand. Now I'm just going to put my onion powder on. That should be good. Okay, apparently what goes in next is tinned tomatoes. I didn't have any diced right now. I got whole tomatoes, but it still should work fine. I'm going to chop them up. I'll dice them a bit there, and that'll look better when I get it diced. Okay, I got them all diced up. That only took a few seconds to do. Good sharp knife. Chop your tomatoes very fast. All you gotta do is like get it like a fork, get a knife, chop it down very fast. Okay, according to the recipe, it calls for 1 cup of rice. I got basmati, so I'm just gonna spread that over the top. There you go. That's my rice. Okay, next is tomato sauce. I only had a bit left, so I got that little bit on there. But I was also told that you can use tomato soup. So that's what I'm going to use because a lot of cabbage rolls use tomato soup anyway. So that's what I'm going to put on. Okay, I got my tomato soup in. It's not spread to evenness, but oh well. It's fine. Okay, next to add was diced onion. I got 1 small full onion diced up and chopped, put on top there now. Okay, and the last thing in the video, she doesn't say how much water, but what she done, she put like her bottle that she had her tomato sauce in. She put water in it and swirled it around to get the last of the tomato sauce out. I think she said maybe 1 to 2 cups of water. I'm not sure. But I just took my 2 cans, this little can here. I took that almost to the top, almost with water. I went to about here and swirled it around, get the last out. And with my tomato can, I only went far as just the top of the barcode with water and put it in. That way it's good, so moisture's in there besides the sauce that's already in there. So that's it. Now I just got to put it on to cook, and we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven, and it looks really good. I'm going to put some into my bowl, and I'm going to try it there in a few minutes. It's really, really hot. It's just out of the oven. I did add more liquid to it while it was cooking. She says you can do that. She said add either water or broth as it's cooking. I basically followed her recipe to a T. The only thing I didn't use was salt, and I didn't have a big pile of tomato sauce, so I used tomato soup. One of my family members told me to use tomato soup, so it's actually turned out pretty good. I'm going to try it. Okay, I got a big bowl full there. I can guarantee you I'm not going to be able to eat all that, but I'm going to try it. I got it into my bowl. I just got to let it cool down a little bit because I'll burn my mouth trying it. But it looks really good, so it should be really good. I just tried it. It is really good. It just seems to be missing something, like a spice. I guess I'm so used to like regular cabbage rolls. In regular cabbage rolls in the meat, they put a lot more spices, but this is good. And you know me, I love tinned tomatoes. I put an extra can in to put more liquid in instead of using like water and broth to make it watery tasting. So, but this is my first time making it, and it turned out really good, and it tastes good. Like I said, there's just seems to me like there's a spice missing from it. But other than that, it's really, really good.